Good morning. This is Jack from Charting Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Friday, the 25th of October. Let's have a quick look at. Okay, my disclaimer: I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, Bitcoin has been obviously it's backtested the daily middle band, and we have been coming back up towards the previous high. We had a nice looking head and shoulders. It broke down, and basically we found support at the daily middle band, so it didn't make target, and that head and shoulders has now failed. This has a target back up at the retest of this high here at 69.5 in the not too distant future. On Ethereum, we have been back testing. This has been the weakest. I did a post about this morning, actually, if you want to check that out. But you can find the link on my Twitter feed. But we've got a nice backtest of the daily middle band and the 50 DMA. That's held 3 days. There's no particular reason to think at the moment that that's going to go any lower. On the hourly chart, we don't have any positive divergence. High low here. I mean, this could be a bear flag forming. We could see another lower low here, but there's not a great deal of reason to think that's going to happen. Looking at Solana, Solana. We had this test of the 3SD up band, then we had a couple of days where it just went sideways, and then we went higher again. Pretty routine. We've got as high as 179.10, and I've got main flag resistance in the 184 area. Break over that, and that would have a target at 209.86, and that would be the second of the two big bull flags here. Because on Bitcoin, of course, we were already starting to break over, and this high at 69.5 broke over the resistance there slightly, and that go higher, and we've got a target at the bull flag target at 73.8. So I'm liking the bull side here. I am seeing maybe a bit lower here. If you look at the Solana short-term chart, I drew in this rising megaphone, and of course we've come up and we've exactly touched megaphone resistance again. So this trend line is very much an active and live trend line. It now has 4 touches. If we see a bit more retracement here, I've got a shorter term rising support trend line here, which is now in about the 168.5 to 169 area, and I've got the main megaphone support in the 161 area, and this setup here, which has me wondering about a possible lower low on Ethereum particularly, and maybe on Bitcoin too. We'll see how that goes. Bigger picture though, this is all bull. I'm loving the bull flag. When we were down here, I was talking about the next big target on Solana, if we got over the daily middle band, would be at this flag resistance. We are very close to that here. I'm thinking it'll likely be tested within days, and it may well break and open up the move into the 209.86 area. So I'm liking the upside, not seeing anything bearish here, no sell signals. The only thing which has me wondering about a bit lower is really this pattern here, and trend line here, which is held. We shall see how that goes. All right, great. In that case, let's have a quick look at questions. Well, no, in that case, I think that's a wrap. Everyone have a great weekend, and I'll have everything posted as soon as possible.